Hello, welcome to AutoCAD Adda, and my name is Hitesh Chaudhary. In the previous video, we learned about the rectangle and circle command. The link for the video is on the top right corner of your screen. In this video, we will be learning the basics of hatch and draw order commands. The notes for this video are in the description below. You can access them for free by clicking the link. Before we start, click the subscribe button below to stay updated with the channel and press the bell icon so that you receive instant notification for all the new videos in this basic AutoCAD training series. So without wasting any time, let's get started. So let us get started with the hatch command. So this command we use to fill any closed area with patterns or some solids or some gradients. Gradients are basically a combination of two colors, or we can also fill it with a single color. We can access this command from two different locations. Firstly, we can select the hatch tool from draw palette in the ribbon panel over here, or we can just type H in the command window and press enter. So you can see once the command is activated, the ribbon panel changes to the hatch creation command. There are many actions that we can perform using this hatch creation, which we'll be learning in later upcoming videos in detail. Currently, we need to provide a closed area in which we would like to fill it with hatch. So say supposedly I click an area over here which seems to be closed, and then I'll press enter, and you can see the hatch is completed. We can also select multiple close area. I'll just show it how. I'll again go into hatch command. I'll select multiple area. See if I can select this area. I'll select this, and then I'll press enter. You can see this hatch is created. We can also convert this area into solid. So if I select this again, this ribbon panel will get converted into hatch editor, and I can select solid over here, and you can see it has been converted into dark white, or we can select any other color, say red. We can also go for any gradient. So if I select hatch and I'll press enter, the area has been selected, but I would like to go with gradient. So my color one, I can select maybe magenta, and color yellow, I'll keep it yellow, it looks cool, no? And I'll press enter. Next, let us have a look at the draw order command. This command is used to bring an object in front or send an object in back. As you can see that the circle which is red in color is behind the object of, or we can say behind the rectangle. So we can access this command by typing dr in the command window, and we can press enter. So once the command is activated, we need to select an object on which we need to perform the command. So say supposedly I want to send this rectangle behind the circle, so I'll select this rectangle with the hatch, and then I'll press enter twice to send it back. So in this case, now you can see that the rectangle is behind the circle which is red in color. Supposedly if I were to bring the rectangle again in front, so what I'll do is I'll again type dr in the command window and press enter. I will select the rectangle and press enter only once, not twice this time. I'll type F, and then I'll press enter. Let us have a quick revision on whatever we have learned in this basic AutoCAD training tutorial 6. Firstly, we have learned about hatch command, which is used to fill any closed area with patterns, solids, or with gradients. We can access this command from two different locations. Firstly, you can click on hatch tool from draw palette in ribbon panel, or you can type H in command window and press enter. Once the command is activated, the ribbon panel changes to hatch creation ribbon, and pick internal point is displayed in the command window. We need to click on any internal point inside a closed area. We can also select multiple closed areas and press enter to complete the hatch command. We can select gradient or solid from the drop down menu in properties. The solid is used to fill the area with any color, while the gradient is used to fill the area with any one or two colors. Next, we have scene draw order. This command is used to bring any object in front or send it to back. We can access this command by typing dr in command window and press enter. Once the command is activated, we need to select object on which the operation will be performed and press enter. We can also select multiple objects for this. Next, we can directly press enter to send the object behind, or type F and press enter to bring the object in front. Click on thumbs up below if you have liked the tutorial. Also, please share it with your friends. You can also have a look at the other tutorial videos appearing on your screen. Also, provide your feedback in the comment section below, and do let us know what command you would like to learn. And as always, thanks for watching.